Welcome back to LTEC. Let's talk English conversation. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Gulam Sarwar Shuman. You are watching me on my YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna practice how to pronounce on American and also British English accent. So, what is the difference between the American and British accent? We don't wanna distinguish today. We just wanna how to contract. That means contraction is very important while speaking English. So you have to practice contraction. So today I'm going to speak how to contract between the two words while speaking English. That means I plus am. I'm going to speak going, go plus ing, going plus to, gonna be, going to be, gonna be, right? And isn't, is plus not, isn't. Don't, I don't do this, don't. Do plus not is equal to don't. Doesn't, it doesn't mean that. It doesn't. Does plus not, doesn't. Won't, W-I-L-L, will plus not. Won't, I won't do the work. Shan't, S-H-A-L-L, shall plus not, shan't. By the way, you can practice how to contract the two words on a same sentence while speaking English. I think you will practice well. So my dear viewers, this is the end of this video. You are invited to watch my next video. Bye bye, tata, and subscribe my channel.